So we are walking along a wall which is going to take us up to that level and around all the way to there. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Darren Hayes from Darren On Demand. I hope you're enjoying your day. So this video was filmed a couple of years ago and put on my old channel, but I've decided to relaunch it and put a new intro and everything onto my new channel, so to see where it actually goes. The video itself is of a derelict hospital in Busot, which is in the Costa Blanca north. And if you Google Derelict Hospital Busot, you will actually see the history of this hospital. Quite disturbing, really, if you actually look into what the hospital was used for. Not going to say any more than that. It's a beautiful building. There is some graffiti there. We didn't cause any damage. We went in and just explored. So let's jump over to the video and see what you think. I'll tell you in a minute. Yeah, there's a floor here. There. There's a floor here. There is a floor. What? Just watch, because there is
oh, look at that.
What is it?
A little centipede, I saw that.
Put your foot in that little gap in that.
Yeah, I saw the exact one, that's the one I was on about.
I'm not filming then. I'm going to without bruises on it.
Just don't jump straight down onto it. Look, there's big
Not much choice, by.
Yeah, but look, there's big holes in the floor.
Not that heavy. I'm going to put an hole in.
Jeez. Look at that. That's a drop. That's a hole. That's to the bottom level. Is there no way through? Oh, it's blocked up. Oh well, okay. Well, that's. This is. So look, there's that. There's the water tap. This is the water tower.
I want to get up that tower.
Yeah. Yeah, well, I wouldn't drop from here. Way too much. Yeah, because we weren't anywhere near, were we? The back end. So look, they've climbed there. They climb there to get in.
Where did I say that we'd get up? That first bit, wasn't it?
Yeah, where the stairs are through the other side. Into the first room. A little bit darker today than it was last time we were here. Second floor. Watch this hole in the floor. Yeah, because it looks like you're actually walking sideways. Yeah, so this is where Claire said that we would actually get up, but I actually beg to differ. No, Claire, you ain't not gonna get up there. You ain't not gonna get up there. No, because your balance is poor, and there's nothing to hold on to at all. Help you round? How tall do you think I am?
Stand there and watch me fall.
No. Oh yeah, I'll watch you fall. You're not gonna do it, babe. The only way we're gonna do it is outside. There's that ladder that goes up onto that first level. Because they look like the stairs are still there for the other levels. No, but that is probably quite strong. Claire's got no balance at all. The problem is you'll get to there, but then you'd have to cling to the wall to get to there. The rest of the stairs are still there. The rest of the stairs are still there. I want you to try it, Claire. No. Yeah, and then if you just have a bit of a woggle on. Yeah, whereas I think then once you get up there to that level, the stairs look like they're still pretty much in place. Yeah, but then there is another place just outside the window. Yeah. Another hole in the floor, so watch it. Yeah, well, probably is. Oh, actually, that ladder's been moved. Because that's where the ladder was. That's where the ladder was. That's where the ladder was, because it just goes up to that bit there. I think they've moved it round to that, right at the front. They've moved it round there where we just came in. They must have parties and that in it. Or that was it and they burnt it out. Look, them steps. Don't fall down there, Natty.
Is what?
Look at old. Let's go back to the stairs.
That?
Well, that doesn't. That's just there. Don't think there was anything, if I remember rightly. Do you want me torch, babe? Is it? Oh, yeah. Oh, that's better. That's better. Well, it lights up the room. Very much so.
So there's a lot of graffiti throughout the building, which is quite bad as such. Probably a monumental building. It's pretty bad. Now, we're at the end. There's no way.
Can you just film?
Yeah, they've definitely used that plank. Oh, for fuck's sake.
The worst thing is coming back down again.
Are you going up or what?
I don't know. Because if we get backwards.
Getting down's easy. You just lay on your belly and wriggle down backwards. Oh my goodness. I'll go up.
This is, I'm surprised I'm actually...
Do you think it's going to be easier to go up that? No, that plank. Yeah.
This. Are you going up that way?
I'm not going to go up unless I can help it come down.
Well, you come down the same way you're going up.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. If I can get up and I'll come down.
Are you going up? Any other way, it is literally up and that's it. Claire, watch you don't fall. We're gonna see her come dropping through one of these areas in a minute. I'm thinking of what they call safety first.
Oh yeah, alright, what? So we've come up here like...
Right, so we're now on the... So as you can see, we're on another level. We're now on... Wow. Look at this now. How absolute amazing is this building. Just checking out these windows to see if they're... That's a long way down. So we're not going that way.
Those spirals go quite a long way up each floor.
Oh, that would... Oh, look at that. See, there's absolutely no way you'd have got up that bit. So this...
And this door is loose.
God, look at that. That's the stairway.
I've just been up that.
Up. Just, if you're doing it, go right to the wall. Because you just watch, you don't, especially with your foot as well. Claire, don't run up.
I'm running.
You are.
I'm running.
Just stay as close to the wall as you can. So is that the next level there?
I'm not even at the next level.
Oh, right, okay, so you have to go up another.
This is the next level here.
Right, okay.
And then I got about halfway up and I got...
Yeah, no, I wouldn't be doing. Claire's going up. She's going right to the top. She's literally gone up. Look, she's gone up them stairs. Look up the stairs. She's just panning me there, but that was pigeons.
That scared me.
That scared me. My heart. Oh, I've got these. Claire, I'll just go up these stairs. I'll just go up these flight of stairs. These are solid. Oh, they are literally lit. Natty, look, there's stairs. No, we're literally coming round. Where are you now? You're on the next level. Yeah. So we've just gone up them. I've got these stairs. There's a set of stairs going either side. Claire's up there. Don't know how she's going to get down. I definitely ain't walking across that way. But... Nah, I think... Yeah, well, I think the level that you're on is like... Yeah, and also it looks like it's very... Yeah. Well, just standing here on a big, solid base, I'm absolutely shitting my pants. Oh dear me, what are we doing? It's called exploration, but it's called, as Mr. Ali Law would say, it's a madness. Definitely. Here. Then just step over. Nah, just step over. Yeah, literally where your stairs were, we just walked round and the stairs there. Yeah, I know. I was thinking that myself. But... Well, in here they look like they've been restructuring the roof because it's all... Look. Looks like they've been working in here because this is all new ceiling they're putting in, look. Oh, and there's another staircase there going up. Yeah. Look.
That's what I've just come
Oh, is that
down.
what you've just come down? Oh, okay. Right. So another staircase yet, which is where Claire was just up. And it goes down very far. Down there.
Like really doubting this going down there.
Oh, go down there then. Go down.
Not this bit.
No, go down them stairs
No,
though.
I don't like that because there's a space on both sides.
Oh, okay. So it's definitely. So Natty is going down a tunnel. Once you're over that rock, you can just shimmy.
Is my back near the...
No, you're nowhere near the top. Natty's through. Claire's following you.
Smells of piss again.
Well, there'll probably be someone's probably been in here and had a pee, ain't they? Is it blocked?
Is that yellow you? Is that light?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's me.
Is it blocked?
Is it blocked completely?
Yeah, you can't get it. No, it's just blocked.
I've got a feeling that this has been used to flood water through from the reservoir to like create like a moat around that building.
So I'm filming you already, so I can just save it now.
What do you mean?
I've got it here, so I can give you copies of it. So Claire's coming back down the tunnel.
Complaining about being dirty.
Claire's doing.
What is that?
That is a very large
Caterpillar.
caterpillary centipede type thing. So Nathaniel's just realised he doesn't like tunnels, especially ones with bugs in. So now Claire's having to climb across, and in one moment Nathaniel's going to be booming a light very shortly. I can zoom into Natty as he's walking back down the tunnel. Here he comes with a light. Looks like a miner. But at the end of the tunnel, it was dead end. Oh, let me take that from you. Yeah. There we go. And he emerges alive and well. So I hope you like this little YouTube video that I've done today. So if you did enjoy the video, please smash that like button. Click the subscribe button and also click that little notification bell on the, well, whatever side it will be, to actually be notified on any more videos that I actually post. I upload my videos normally every Saturday, but every now and again I will post 1 or 2 during the week as well. Depends obviously on how busy I am. But until the next video, guys, thanks ever so much for coming. See ya!